Yeah. Hold on. Tuck your bellies in, boys.
What's talking about?
Hey?
I'm always like this.
Hey? Hey?
Sausage egg and bacon.
All out my nose.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Any more surprises, Graham?
Buy them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up.
Hey up, I'm off again. We're off for a ride round Wales. I've got Kev and Andy with me. Hope you enjoy the vlog. This is the room in our hotel. This is the best Western hotel in Port Talbot. There.
Floor 1. Going down.
It's all free until you come to pay.
It's not free, is it?
Oh,
free.
here we go. I thought you had to walk and stick with.
Do you want a drink? Kev's paying.
Oh well, in that case,
Room 123. How can you forget that?
can I have
That's
a black
right,
coffee,
mate.
please?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, room 123.
Can I have a black coffee?
He can't help it.
Oh, don't mind Bass first though, wouldn't you? Because he's just come in. Yeah, put in that one, mate. That's it. All right. Let him wait. Oh, do you know what? He's going to give you egg this one. That much coffee, that much water, that much milk.
You want a drink, Graham, then?
Yeah, I might do.
Yeah, it's warming up.
Yeah.
So I found that guy.
Oh yeah. Hold on. Tuck your bellies in, boys.
What's talking about?
Hey?
I'm always like this.
Hey? Hey?
Sausage egg and bacon.
All out my nose.
It's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah, them dogs, you're saying that they're so excited, but they can't wait to get on the beach. As soon as they smell it, they go boom.
See, I can do that, or I could go.
It's good, isn't it?
A wet bunda.
Quiet, isn't it?
It is quiet.
Got a big ship out there.
Ain't that big, look.
It's like... Alright. Ain't that big, is it? Look at that, same size as that little speedboat.
Yeah, look. Look, them people's full. Look, they are.
What was this? Red Dwarf Beach or something? Red Dwarf Beach. We'll go and have a look.
I'll tell you in Welsh, hold on.
You tell me in Welsh.
Didn't I tell you I was practising?
Go, go, go.
Yeah. C'est Trethkoch.
Treadcock.
Trethkoch.
Trethcock. Cock.
Trethkoch. Red Dwarf Bay.
Red Dwarf Bay.
To you Sassenachs. Oh, that's Scottish, but the Scottish people call you in there. You Emmets. Oh, that's called
There.
I didn't realise we were on a little
Do you
island.
know, basically, Welsh is just a waste of letters. Because, isn't it? Look, Church Bay. Porth. Look at that.
For all the Welsh people that are watching,
Isn't it?
Look, that's English. Look how many letters it takes it in Welsh.
It's a lot of hard work, doesn't
It's
it?
just a waste of letters. Even the street signs are all much
Yeah, I
longer.
know, yeah, weird, isn't it? One of the longest words in the world is in Welsh, isn't it?
Yeah.
go, go, go at the end.
That one, is that?
Yeah. Yeah, Lan.
Go on, have a go.
Lan fan.
Just like saying out a countdown, isn't it?
Ogri
Consonant, vowel, consonant. It's just made up bollocks. I don't reckon they really speak it. They just do it.
No, they do.
I'll have a constant, please.
They are. It is a
Yeah.
real language. You know, they've got this thing now for Welsh government.
Yeah.
If you work in the councils, you have to be able to speak Welsh.
Yeah.
That's part of the thing. Not fluid, not fluent, but you have to.
Not fluid.
You have to be able to speak it conversational, I think, because
They broke my window, you know, Bloodwind. Both sides.
really posh Welsh person. You bloody bastard.
I've learned a bit of Welsh. Araf.
Yeah, slow down.
Yeah.
Slow.
Oh yeah.
No, it's Araf. Slow down is Araf. Something else. So Araf is just slow.